everybody. It's Monday the 14th. I still have not done my taxes. I plan on doing that today. Tomorrow's the last day to do taxes. I hate doing taxes as a business owner. It's just like so much stress. You know, you got to keep up with your finances and all this. Anyways, good morning, everybody. God bless everybody. Today I got 2 calls. The first one, I'm going to a basement that we did on one of my first videos. Like, I don't know if it was the 3rd or 4th video. We did all the ductwork. We set the system, the indoor and the outdoor. Everything's already vacuumed. The valves are open, so the refrigerant's in the line already. Today we just got inspection, so the homeowner has the thermostat. We're gonna put that thermostat on. We're gonna put our registers on and our return grills and just do a startup basically. So that's what I'm doing today. So let's go. Okay. Really? Okay, I'll give you a call in a bit. Bye. Okay, so we're here. Basement turned out pretty nice. We got an Ecobee. That's the thermostat wire. This is the mechanical room. Nice. Okay, so this is the system we put in. I'll attach the video. It was like my 3rd video or my 4th video. Put in an Aprilaire condensate pump with the Union. Yeah, that thing look good, boy. That thing look good. I'm gonna space these out, and then I'm gonna go get my ladder. We got an 8-inch right there, 10-inch return. All right, so the homeowner asked me if I could center the thermostat with this wall. Only thing is that the wire is already there, so I'm just gonna try to notch a little bit of this drywall, see if I can set the wire inside the wall like that. So that's 30, 32. That's about center right there, guys. That's as best as we gonna do, so. Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Well.
So we got, what, 30, 13, 15 air handler and heat pump. So. Test those heat strips. Okay, so I can smell those heat strips. So meanwhile, I'm gonna start putting these vents on. That way we can get warm this basement up hopefully, and we can get a load in here and kind of check the pressures outside. It's not a real hot day out. Okay guys, so it's been running for a minute. I got all the registers up. They're all up. So now I'm about to go make sure that heat pump comes on, let it run on heat mode for a minute, and then we'll do cool. Bad thing is it's on that side, but they don't have a door. They don't have a gate towards that side, so we got to go all around the house. But yeah, it's starting to feel good out here. It's warming up. It's gonna start warming up. I'm so ready for the summer, because I'm tired of wearing sweaters in the morning and then having to take them off, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. It's a beautiful day out here. It's always a beautiful day as long as we wake up. Alright, so this is the one we put in. Got this thing running in cool mode. I'm sorry, in heat mode. Yeah, that line set is getting warm. Yes, sir. So we're gonna let that thing run for a minute. We're gonna put it on cool, try to check the pressures. Starting to warm up, folks. Oh, my bad. Wrong vlog. Follow my other page. Oh, damn. I'm gonna go ahead, prime this trap. Okay, just went up 1 degree. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on cool mode, guys, and try to check the charge that way. All right, so it just came on. We're gonna let these pressures stabilize, and we're gonna see if we can kind of get our charge right. I know I have a decent amount of copper line set going in. It's at least 35, 40 feet probably. So we're gonna let this thing run for a minute. Okay, guys, so our superheat got where we kind of wanted to. This is our subcool. I'm gonna go ahead and add some in just because I know it's longer than 15 feet. Like I said, it's about 35 feet or so. Bleed these out. Go ahead and bleed this out too. Gonna add some in there. This is at 410, buddy. That 410. To weigh it in, I just put 15 extra feet of 3/8, which is 0.54. Then 15 extra feet of 3/4, which is 0.114. I added that together, and I got 9 ounces, 9.81 ounces. So let's just go by that, because it's already about 66 degrees in there. Okay, so I added 1 pound. I just went ahead and added 1 pound because it's probably a little bit more than 15 feet. I was just doing the math with 15 additional feet. This is my subcooling right now. I just added it probably about 2 minutes ago, so I'm gonna let this thing sit. I'm not gonna add no more to it. I'm always scared to overcharge these systems because I've done that in the past. So we're gonna watch these pressures and just see what we end up with, okay? Okay, guys, I wish I would have took a picture, but it's satisfied. This was still around 4. This was about 13. The saturation temperature was at 34. That was pretty low. Again, that's because the basement is cold, so we're good on this one. I wish I would have got a picture of the subcool because I always attach that to the invoice, but we'll be all right, guys. We'll be all right. Okay, so it's chilly in here. 65 degrees.